Omukurambure Minyeteji batandikira mu cyaro cya Kyekuro mu town council ya Rubindo Ruhumba Kagonje hamwe na Nyabisirira kandi kwabakorwa abebembezi ba district ya Mbarara bebembirwa muhezi wa RDC Muhozi Michael hamwe n'aba Ripple Effect abahwerire Minyeteji kwetandikira hemyoga etari yemwe nemwe barokora bero mu project yabo Air Youth Inclusive Dairy Market Systems.
But we made you leave whatever you're doing to come and do it for us. And we want to thank you. We can never take this for granted because we know that you sacrifice a lot and you come and help the government to really improve on socio-economic transformation of the nation and the world at large.
There are those that are engaged in agro-profit and input services. So far, female, we have 1. Men, the 11. It has given for us a total of 12. Arts and craft, that you have just seen. Females self-employed in that area, there are 376. Male, 89, given for us a total of 465.
Eminyete basize kwejumbira umyogeje nko kuhinga okubyara ebinyatsi okukora za yogurt ice cream okushubara chapati hamwe n'ebindi byinji nesima bekitongere cha Ripple Effect
nabinente mu bine za ze grazing nibija bathagira bagure ebinyatsi batwarra amatungo gabo tukora na heyi nambwe twinda heyi to ku mustoha na yeye bicire urukonda aje tugura akantu akatwara
for example kiji machine ko kumikijireba nebasigwa Deno tuantureta mategeko gihombyaro mazimicho nchiteganisa singantu batu ineka pichi ngako tugari
nisikora sabuni nisikora mandazi nisikora yogurt nazo kashanga ntubasa kubiringa nazo twije twazarevana board bakore materials za products zabo twitera
abebembezi basimira ba Ripple Effect ahubwo kwatara Minyeteji kandi baraganise gumana bahu bari kubetengera
zirobuzubuge byanda byamani cyanga tutego mushana mwingi so hate kimusheme ko bari mutagetinga ka group sezo gukora byo kurya no kureba mu mwakore bakweta fodder preservation mwakora silage mwakora he
omuhuro niemwe Elizabeth tongere cha Ripple Effect babugana hebebembezi kandi bayanjure bakozere na mnongo magombora mwendo mu district ya Mbarara aho Eminyetero kwihikaru 19 na mukage basize ganyirwamo kandi nabagendo mission no kwerendijo.
If you design the whole some of your projects in 2 household levels, it will help them so that there's sustainability because there's full responsibility with every member of the household. And definitely it will make a difference.
And in this specific project is Youth Inclusive Dairy Market Systems. We are supported by Mastercard Foundation. And we are supposed to reach 63,400 youth.
Amakoraga gashakwa na Good Fatuma.